How to buy Swyft token. So this token came under the symbol of SFT. Now before we start, this is not factual advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on AutoSnipe. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your phone to manage. For that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in right now. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this auto token, click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap, and you will be able to redact your Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page and so just slip patch from here. As you can see, our customer, because the most features capture with slip patch, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SFT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.